another episode of our Do It Yourself tutorial training. So in today's training, I'm going to be showing you guys how to register your business or brand with Google My Business. So Google My Business is a free Google services that allows you to list your business on Google, so that whenever someone searches for your business or a search term or a product or something related to what you do, your business will have a probability of showing up, and they are going to see all information that you display related to your business. So without wasting much time, I'm going to go straight to the process of and the information that you need to set it up. So this is how the Google My Business interface looks like. To get here, you type business.google.com. Link is in the description below. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use just some random information to fill this up. So all you have to do is just to watch and follow up my steps, and you're going to get your business listed on Google. So let's go ahead. For the business name, I'm going to use, Amy's Laundry. So this is asking you if you have a location for your business. So our business is a laundry service, so definitely we have a location. So I'm going to click on yes and next. Here I'll input my address details. So the next thing we have to do here is to actually pick an answer. It's asking us if our business, if we provide deliveries or home services. So it's a laundry service, so yes, we do provide home delivery. So we select yes. But if you don't, or if your business doesn't provide delivery services, all you do is to click on no. So let me say Abuja. So here it's asking us to fill in our contact information. Your contact information is going to be displayed on Google, on your business website, so that when someone comes and sees your listing on Google, they can get your contact information to either call you or send you a message. So if your business has a website, you put it here. But if you don't have a website, you click on this. So there's also a third option where you click on get a free website here. When you click on this, Google is going to give you a free website, a default website for your business. So that's it. Google is telling me that my business has been verified. So I click on next. All I have to do is now is to complete some information about my businesses. So I'm asked to select my services here. So let me select delivery and it comes to the service. So here we add our business hours. So my business works every day. It's 24-hour services. So if your business runs for 24 hours a day, 247, you select this option. But if it doesn't, you can adjust the time to your business working hours. So in this box, you just write some description, some basic information about your business and what you do, so that when people call, when Google directs people to your listing, they can see what you do. So let's put something here. So here you add photos for your business, which will display, but I'm going to skip this step for now. So this is it. Once we are done, we are done setting up our Google My Business listing for our business, which is Amy's Laundry. So this is how our dashboard will look like. This is your home. Post is where you can see a varieties of your posts that you upload here for anyone coming to your Google My Business listing information to see. So this is where you see your insights, reviews, message, photos, and you can just play around with the interface and see how everything looks like. But this is it. This is how you get it done. This is how you list your business on Google. And whenever after some hours, because your business is not actually going to come up immediately once you do this, you have to give it time, normally within 0 to 24 hours at most. But anything before then, it can also be possible. Your business is going to be listed online whenever you come and you search for Amy's Laundry. Amy's Laundry. So ours is not yet listed here. You can see we can't find our own here, but at maximum, with after 24 hours, everything that we need is going to be listed. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and also turn up your post notification. Thank you.